In this module, we're going to talk about the patient reminder function that we've built in here that interfaces with the pet owner app. So this works for member hospitals only. Let's say Surrey came in and I saw her for a hotspot and I wanted her to go home on cephalexin, and maybe she bought some heartworm preventative and we talked about getting Surrey's teeth cleaned. Right? So this is a tool where you can forward book all those things. So you would come in, have the client download the app if they haven't done so already, click on patient reminders. This is a list of the reminders that are already in the system. And you'd say, okay, Mrs. Bailey, today I'm going to send you home on cephalexin, which is a prescription medication, right? I just come down here, I pick cephalexin from the drop down. This is a daily medication. And if I was going to do this for heartworm preventative, I would pick monthly. But in the case of cephalexin, this is daily. This is it will say give cephalexin on the push notification we send them through the app. We're going to start today. I'm going to have you give it at 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. for, right? So in this case, 21 days. If this was thyroid supplement or heartworm, I could pick for life. It was something I'm only doing for 7 days, you pick, you get the idea. And this is every day. I could also do this if I wanted this to be a steroid. I could give it, in this case, twice a day for, let's say, 5 days. And then I could go in and say, give it every other day, so forth. So there's a way to just work through even tapering doses here. But let's go back to cephalexin. I'm going to get it twice a day for 21 days. And then right now this says stop or continue. But in a version that we're going to be pushing out here very quickly, you'll be able to pick the option of request refill, come in for recheck exam, get lab work. There'll be ways of setting yourself up for success in the future. You then hit save, and this saves to the patient's reminder screen here. So now the cephalexin is here. You can go through and do the same thing for the heartworm preventative. You can now come in here and say, all right, we also talked about a dental cleaning, right? When you want the reminder here. In this case, this is the demo version, so it says our company name, but in this case, it will say your hospital's name, right? You also have the option here to add the name of the doctor, right? If the doctor recommended they have a particular procedure and you'd like that client to come in on that doctor's day, you can add it right here. We'll notify the client. You could do the same thing for vaccinations, recheck exams, lab work. The idea is to forward book these clients. So use our app as a tool to make sure that the clients are actually doing what you want them to do. Because if you let them walk out the door with out something more powerful like this, there's every chance that not only will they skip doses, but they won't come back in for the dental. This way puts your practice in their pocket. This is a way to encourage compliance, and we think it's a very powerful tool. If you have any suggestions, ways to make this better, what you'd like to see different, what you don't like, please let us know. There's a lot of ways that you can communicate with us here. There's the instant chat down here at the bottom, our phone number. Here's our contact information, email, and telephone. We're very collaborative. We want to hear from you. Let us know how we can make this better. Have a great day.